8th class student, exercise 10A, profit and loss. Question number 1. Question number 1 is question number 8. 8 is selling price of 16 water bottles equal the cost of the 17. Cost price of 17 water bottle. So you first the let CP of 1 water bottle is equal to X rupees. Bottle here is 17. Water bottle cost is equal to 17 into 17 rupees. According to question, 16 SP of selling price of 16 water bottle is equal to CP of 17 water bottle. SP selling price of 16 water bottle is equal to 17 rupees. SP of 1 water bottle is equal to 17 upon 16 rupees. Here is SP greater than CP. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. SP here is 17 upon 6. CP is 1. Write the upon 1 to take the LCM. 17 minus 16 is equal to 1 upon 16 rupees. We find the gain percent. Gain percent is equal to gain into 100 upon CP. Gain is equal to 1 upon 16 into CP is 1 into 100. 4 4 जा 16. 4 4 जा 25. 25 upon 4 is equal to 6 whole 1 upon 4%. Find the gain. This process. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. 9 is at first let the CP of 1 candle is equal to 1 rupees. Cost price of 12 candle is equal to 12 into 1 is equal to 12 rupees. According to question, SP of 15 candle is equal to CP of 12 candle. SP of 15 candle is equal to 12 rupees. SP of 1 candle is equal to 12 upon 15, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 4 upon 5 rupees. That is SP of the 1 candle. SP is less from CP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP our 1 rupees, SP is 4 upon 5 rupees. Write the upon 1, take the LCM. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 5 rupees. Loss percent is equal to 1 upon 5 into 1 is CP into 100. 5 20 20% loss this process. Question number 10. 10 question is by selling 130 cassettes gain of amount equal to the selling price of 5 cassettes. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. Gain is equal to selling price of 5 candle, 5 cassettes is equal to 130 SP of 130 cassettes. Minus CP. Bring the left hand side is equal to 1 SP of 130 cassettes minus SP of 5 cassettes. CP is equal to after minus 125 SP of 125 cassettes. let the Cp is equal to 125 rupees, Sp is equal to 130 rupees. Gain is equal to 130 minus 125 is equal to 5 rupees. Gain percent is equal to 5 into 100 upon Cp over 125. 5 ja 25, 4 ja 4% gain. This process. Question number 11. 11 is question is loss. 10th question is gain. Same question is by selling 45 lemons, loss is equal to Cp minus Sp. Loss is equal to Sp of 3 lemons is equal to Cp minus Cp over 45. Sp of 45 lemons. Cp is equal to Cp will be Sp of 3 lemons plus Sp reach the left hand side, Sp of 45 lemons is equal to Cp. After plus is Sp of 48 lemons is equal to Cp. Let the Cp is equal to 48 rupees. Sp will be 45. 45 rupees. Loss is equal to 48 minus 45 is equal to 3 rupees. Loss percent is equal to 5 into 100, 3 into upon 48. 3 divide 48 by 16, 4 4 ja 16, 25 is equal to 25 upon 4, 6 whole 1 upon 4%. This process the loss percent. Thank you.